Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm. It's a windy, chilly day here, May 3rd. You'd think it'd be warm, but it's like 55 degrees and windy, but we're going to work on some siding today. The thing I'm going to do today is trim off these overhanging edges of siding that came off the front of the building, both left and right, where they just come off and hang off the end here to make them flush so I can begin siding up the sides. And also I'm going to let me walk you back through the barn here, past this lumber pile and all this other garbage. And then the door that we put over here in the side, I have to do the same thing. I need to trim the overhanging stuff just up and around the door frame there. And then that'll be good to go. And then we'll go ahead and start siding up the front. Should be, I don't know, pretty easy, but there's a little more cutting in because I've got to, come up across here, and I've got to go around the big door frame here that I made. And then, of course, I have to go around the loft, and I've got the angles in the roof again, but no big deal. We'll get after it and make it happen. Well, there's the house. Anyway, y'all are going to be mad I didn't get a lot of footage tonight, but did get some siding done. Got from that corner over to where you see it up top there next to the loft door, and got a couple boards in place over here. Not too much work, just, after works, a couple hours to get some work done. So you see here I'm leaving a jam section underneath the siding, and next to the siding, that's where the door will seat when I get them hung later on. But that's it. Slowly but surely getting siding done. I hate working up top there at the peak, but that's next. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you like what you're seeing here. And, I love how that house looks at night. And hopefully we got a house tour coming soon with this old 1832 manor house. So, again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you like what you see, and share with your friends. And as always, keep getting after it.